Hi everyone and welcome to Edbit. Today we will buy some Edbit using the MetaMask wallet. So it is a wallet that you can download on your phone, on your Android or iPhone. You can also install the wallet as an extension in your browser. So notice here in my Chrome browser I have a MetaMask extension. Okay, so if you go to your app store, I have an iPhone here, type in MetaMask at the top in the search bar. This icon of a fox will come up. That is the application. Then install it, and I have already installed it, so I click on open. You'll get a wizard before you get here, so click on get started and you will land into this page. So here at the bottom it says import using secret recovery phrase. So if you already have a MetaMask wallet, so let's say you have one in the browser or another phone, then you can import that using the recovery phrase. If this is your first time installing MetaMask, then click on create a new wallet. So go ahead and set up the password here for the wallet. I'll just do a done password here and repeat the password. Okay, notice you can use a symbol, otherwise the password will be weak. So some letters, an uppercase and a symbol. And then here, if you want to unlock with Face ID, I'll turn that off for now. You can turn that on for you, so it will use your Face ID whenever you log into MetaMask. And then I understand that MetaMask will cannot read my password, so I'll click on create. Here we go. Now here's a video that talks about the secret recovery phrase. These are very important to any wallet, not just MetaMask. So any crypto wallet out there, if somebody has access to your recovery phrase, then they can actually grab the money from your wallet. And as you guys already know, maybe with other wallets like Trust and other wallets, you need to keep safe your recovery phrases. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on start here, and here's where it says, you see it gives you some instructions. It says write down your secret recovery phrase on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place. Remember, the secret recovery phrase is much like a physical wallet. If somebody grabs your physical wallet, you're done. You know, they have your money, unless they want to give it back to you. But if they get your physical wallet, if they get your recovery phrases, they can get all the money from your wallet. Okay, so keep them in a safe place. Go ahead and click on start. Now it asks you to insert the password one more time. There you go, confirm. There you go. Now you can view your secret recovery phrase. So click on view. Now this is something you want to go ahead and take a screenshot. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a screenshot of that and then save it somewhere. Okay, because on the next screen I have to insert those. Now I will ask you for the recovery phrases in the order that you received them. I already have them open here behind me, so I'll go ahead and put that order in here. So the first one is robot, second one is spike, and then style for me. Okay, notice number 4, slow. There we go. Yours will be different, right? It has to be in the same order. So success, and then go ahead and complete backup. Congratulations, you just opened a MetaMask wallet. Here we go. Now the wallet is going to default in the, notice in the Ethereum mainnet. See Ethereum mainnet here at the top, okay? And here we go. So now I can buy Ethereum. I have 0 Ethereum here. See, I can buy some Ethereum if I want to, and so on. Now if I click on this here, maybe hold it, I can go and change that. So if I want to name my wallet whatever I want, I'll put my name in there. Okay, notice I can create multiple wallets in the same account. So if I click here at the bottom, it says create new account. That will create a new wallet. Now this one has a different wallet key. See, if I switch, you will notice the wallet key is right here. This is the wallet key that you can share with the public to receive funds. Okay, So if you share this with anybody, they can send Ethereum to you, and then you will receive that in your wallet here. Now remember, you can swap this with US dollars, you can swap it with other coins and so on, okay? So now I have two wallets. I have account 2 and Redvan. If I switch it, notice this switches right here. So right here, it changes, right? That is the public wallet you share. So if I go back now to Redvan, a very important step to remember in your MetaMask wallet and other wallets is what is the blockchain that you're working on. If you look at the top here, the network or the blockchain that it's working on is Ethereum main network. You see that? Now that is by default in MetaMask. You can add other blockchains that you can purchase coins like Polygon, Avalanche, and so on. So let's go ahead and add Avalanche since Edbit is in the Avalanche blockchain. So I'll go ahead and click on this right here and then go under settings here at the bottom. And here it says networks, add and edit, custom RPC. So here we go, other networks, and then at the bottom it says add network. Now here are the information it is asking. What is the network? Again, a network is the blockchain that you want to add here, okay? So the name is optional, so I'm going to type in whatever I want. I will type in Avalanche. And just so I know, this is going to be the C chain. This is the main network of Avalanche. C chain network, okay? You can type in whatever you want, okay? And then here is, it's asking for the RPC URL, the chain ID, symbol, and then the block explorer URL. So to get this, you can go ahead and go to Google and type in, here I'm gonna go here in the browser, my computer, I'll type in okay, here we go, the top link is where you want to go. Here, this is the information we're looking for, okay? So I need to copy and paste these in my phone. Let's paste the RPC URL. There you go, and the chain ID is 43114. 43114, okay? Now notice the symbol, it says optional, this is AVAX, so let's just go ahead and do AVAX, all caps, okay? And then the URL, the block explorer URL, and that is the snowtrace.io. So I'll go ahead and type in HTTPS snowtrace.io. There you go, and then hit add. There you go, you have switched to Avalanche C chain, got it. Here we go, so now we have the Avalanche C chain mainnet or the blockchain, and which means now we can purchase coins and tokens in the Avalanche blockchain. There are hundreds of them, a lot of them are into millions and billions of dollars. So Edbit is inside the Avalanche blockchain. So notice here it says import tokens. We can bring as many tokens here as we want. We have AVAX already here and it has $0 in AVAX. We'll go ahead and transfer some AVAX here. If you don't have any AVAX that you have bought anywhere else, you would have to go ahead and click on this and then click the buy button and then follow the directions, whether you want to buy with MoonPay or Transact. Just follow the directions. This will take a little time, maybe about 5-10 minutes, because you have to do the KYC, you know, submit your ID and all of that so that they understand you're a legit user, and then go ahead and buy some AVAX. I'll go ahead and transfer for me here. However, before I do the transfer, I want to bring Edbit here so I can swap it. So how do you bring Edbit? If you click on import token, here we go, it's asking what is the token address, okay? And if I go ahead and open up the browser, I can go to Snowtrace, snowtrace.io, okay? This is the Avalanche C Chain Explorer. So if I come here and then click on, type in Edbit, Edbit. Here we go, Edbit is there. And then if I go ahead and, let's see, where is the wallet? Right here, contract ID, you see that? Go ahead and click on this icon that says copy. See, now it's copied. And if I go to my wallet, it's gonna ask me my password maybe. Usually when you go to MetaMask, it will keep asking for your password, so just go ahead and type it in. And then here I paste that. and then click away. So click here somewhere and it will bring the symbol automatically. So as soon as you paste that, the symbol Edbit will come up. Okay, it says it's token of precision 18, so 18 decimals, and then go ahead and click import. There you go, you have 0 Edbits and you have 0 AVAX. So now we need to swap AVAX with Edbits. That's how you buy Edbits. So let's go ahead and transfer some AVAX to my wallet. So if I click here and then click on receive, you see, now I can receive coins in AVAX, and I can scan this QR code and send coins from somewhere else wherever I have them, or I can copy this address here at the bottom. So I'm gonna copy that and I'll go ahead and send some AVAX here from another wallet that I have. I actually have a wallet here on my browser, so I'll be right back and send some AVAX. You don't have to do these steps. You can buy AVAX because if you don't have AVAX somewhere else, then there is nothing to send. So I'll go ahead and send from my from my wallet here. Go ahead and send. Here we go. So now I have one AVAX here. So one here, and it is the price $83.84. Well, this will keep changing depending on the how much is one AVAX. So now I have 0 Edbits, so I need to swap AVAX with Edbits. Now before you do the swap, go ahead and copy one more time the contract ID if you don't have that in memory in clipboard, okay? So go to Snow Trace, type in Edbit, copy that one more time, okay? It ends with B220, that's the contract ID. So if I go back here now, and if I hit swap, it's gonna say, okay, you're swapping AVAX with what token? So let's go and paste that in here, paste. Here's Edbit, okay? And then it says this token has been added manually. Okay, yes, continue. Perfect. So how many do you want to swap? So let's say we swap 0.5 and then hit get quotes. Now this is gonna fetch the quotes depending on the price of Edbits. And notice now you can get 194 Edbits with 0.5 AVAX. And then go ahead and at the bottom here, hit the swipe, okay, or swap here. Now here it says transaction submitted. So you would have to wait. And here we go. It took out, see, it took out the AVAX already. Let's wait until it brings me the Edbits. There we go. Now I have 194 Edbits, okay? So now I can swap these Edbits. See, it says transaction completed. I can go ahead and swap these Edbits with any other token I want, with US dollars, you see. I have US dollars here. I have USDC, another stable coin. I can swap it back with AVAX, and see, I can swap with the wrapper of AVAX or any other token. So now Edbits are already in your wallet, and I have 194. So these are the steps to buy Edbits, and you hold on to it until the price goes to where you want to be, and then you can buy with it NFTs from our app store or switch them to US dollars or any other currency that you like to switch them to. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.